Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to introduce you all to a game-changing platform called Toolify AI, an extensive collection of over 11,000 AI tools, meticulously organized across a staggering 240 plus categories, all at your fingertips. What makes Toolify AI truly stand out is its dedication to keeping its database fresh and relevant, thanks to the tireless efforts of chatgpt, which updates the listings daily. Now, let's talk about how you can dive into this treasure trove of AI goodness. It's as easy as pie. Simply head over to Toolify AI either through the link in my description or by a quick search on Google. Once you're there, take a moment to explore the wide array of categories available, covering everything from business and marketing to art and technology. Once you've found a category that aligns with your interests or needs, click on it to unveil a comprehensive list of tools waiting to be discovered. Each tool page provides you with all the essential information you could possibly need: detailed descriptions, direct website links, pricing options, and more. It's like having your own personal AI assistant guiding you through the maze of possibilities. Now, let's talk about who can benefit from Toolify AI. The answer? Pretty much everyone. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to streamline your workflow, a content creator seeking inspiration, a job seeker exploring new opportunities, or a developer diving into the world of AI, Toolify AI has got you covered. Artists, marketers, sales professionals, business owners, no matter your background or profession, there's something here for you. So what are some of the features that I personally love about Toolify AI? Well, where do I even begin? First off, the ability to customize and shortlist tools based on your specific needs is an absolute game changer. Say goodbye to endless scrolling and hello to efficiency. Then there's the just launched section, which keeps you in the loop about the latest additions to the platform. And let's not forget about the browser extensions, GPTs, AI apps, prompt tools, and so much more. The possibilities truly seem endless. But wait, there's more. Did you know that you can also promote your own tools on Toolify AI? That's right. Whether you've developed the next big thing in AI or you're just starting out, Toolify AI provides you with a platform to showcase your creations and reach a wider audience eager to discover what you have to offer. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI innovation with Toolify AI today. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Until next time, happy exploring.